Hey everyone, welcome again to ChibaJapan.info. Today we're going to look at Otago Mountain. All kinds of monkeys and stuff in it. Apparently we're going to be able to see them. See what this is like. Let's go. Oh look, there's a wild monkey right there. Hey, wild monkey. Just jumping up there.
Keep walking. Do they bite?
Yeah, they can bite.
Trevor, put it down and keep walking.
You gotta be careful with the monkeys, especially if a GoPro stick, because they don't like it. I'm not really sure why. But that's a wild monkey, one of the wild monkeys outside the cage. They come around too. Be careful with shiny things. If you have necklaces and stuff like that, I'd hide them. As well as the peanuts. If you do get like some snacks and stuff like that, keep them in your pocket. Don't bring them out and don't kind of let them know that you have them, because the wild ones will come and take them from you. Would you like another one? Yes? Here you are. Oh, the baby monkey is so cute! Oi! Oh, my face! They really don't like the GoPros. You bring them in here, they're not going to stick around. Now, I'm not a really big fan of zoos, so I don't really like this sort of thing, but it is quite an experience, and there are a lot of monkeys here, and they're cute. They are cute. A lot of really cute monkeys. The ones in the cages are cute. The ones that are outside of the cages look scary. I do think the establishment is seriously underfunded. But this is what we're here for, to show you guys what is really cool, what you should see, and maybe sometimes what you shouldn't see. They make sure that they can't get to their food. Yeah, although they don't like GoPros, your cell phone might be a pretty good way to take video of them. They don't seem to mind cell phones, but they can't take them. You can say hello. Oh, you got a peanut. You got a peanut. You got a peanut, little guy. Hey, hey. Pass-on. Mommy, you want a peanut? A reason that the monkeys might be stressed out beyond compare is probably because there are lots of little brat kids who come here, such as every zoo, and they actually get like really close interaction with that monkey, so I think they're pretty scared of anybody with a stick. They're scared of anybody with any thought of a bad intention. It's kind of sad. Hi. That's all I have. I don't have any more. No more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below at ChibaJapan.info, and let us know what you think about it in the comments below, as well as you can check us out at Facebook and Twitter, and you can check out a couple of our other videos as well. Take it easy. Arigato. Mata ne. Definitely wash your hands before you leave, because any animal, just like any petting zoo, can give you lots of problems, so do that. Too close, Tiff.
I don't want her to grab the camera.
You can zoom in.
I did. I zoomed in. I want to get a picture of him without him grabbing the camera. Watch it. Oh God.
She doesn't like it either. Yeah. See?
Oh fuck.
Not happy about it.